The Beta Pro. It's Aaron again with another audio check. Yes, another audio check. This is audio check part two. I just put in an audio check that didn't work out very well. If you saw it, you know it just sounded like shit. But it didn't sound like anything. It was just shit. So I fucked around with some shit, and now I'm gonna have to check this one out and see if this one perhaps sounds a little better. Although it's clipping pretty bad there. I am clipping. Seems to be. I would assume to be clipping. But other than that, I'm hoping the audio sounds better. And if it does sound good, I'll be to make sure I can make a long video without it coming out. Part two of the audio. That's part three of the audio checks. Part two is to see if I can make the sound good. Make the audio sound good. And then part three will be to see if I can make a long video without it cutting out. I can edit it. Watching my videos, about 6 or 7, it cuts out, and then I tries to pick up, and then it cuts out completely. So now I'm just saying if, and by if, I mean this sounds all right. And if it does sound right, I'll put a full length audio in. I'm gonna do that with full length. What the hell do I call random rambling? That with full length random rambling video. I'll try to talk about it. Can't see if it's cutting out or not. It seems to be cutting. So it's not. I'm gonna stop this pipe so you can see how do it sound. All right. Pizza. Peace.